So then here we can rewrite these with a power and a root. So my base is 2. The power is going to be 3 in the numerator. The base is going to be, the root is going to be 2 in the denominator. So 2 to the power 3 root 2 is going to be expressed in this way. And the ratio of power to root can be simplified if they simplify as a fraction. So here we have 36. That's our base. Now 36 could be written as a power as well, but we're just going to leave that as 36. This base has a power. We're going to express that power 3 in the numerator, and we're going to express this root 6 in the denominator. Because this ratio of power 3 to root 6, there is a ratio of common factors here. We can simplify this. So this 36 to the 3 over 6 becomes 36 to the power, and the ratio simplifies to a square root. Okay, so if I have power 3 root 6, well, I can take out 2 power 3's out of a root 6. Okay, I can take half a power 3 out of a root 6, so we end up with a power 1/2 or square root. So this ratio of 3 to 1 allows us to simplify into a square root. And if we actually work this out as a decimal, we know that this square root of 36 is really just 6. Okay, if we actually work this out, the 6th root of 36 to the power 3 will equal 6. Okay, so here we have our base is going to be 2, and again our power is going to in this case be 3. And although in all these examples the power is on the outside, it really doesn't matter which is applied first. The power could be on the inside or outside. It makes no difference because there is no priority for power or root. So power 3 ends up in the numerator, root 5 ends up in the denominator. That ratio cannot be simplified, so we'll just leave it as that. And we can see that there are no perfect powers or any groups of 5 that can be worked out here. Here we can have, again, our base is going to be 5. And the power is going to be 9. And the root is going to be 3. So it's going to be 9 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. This ratio can be simplified, and that ratio is going to be simplified to 5 to the power. Well, 9 over 3 can be simplified to 3 over 1, or just 3. So that means that there are 3 cubes that can be pulled out of here if I rewrote this, which is true. If I rewrite this as square root, and instead of 5 to the power 9, I can write 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3, like that. Okay, we know that we can take 1 3 out of here. The cube root of 5 cubed is 5. We can take 1 5 out of here because the cube root of 5 cubed is 5, and same here. So we actually can take out a multiplier of 5 on the outside 3 times, so we end up with 3 to the power 1. Sorry, 5 to the power 3. Okay, so anytime we have this ratio of roots to powers, we can simplify because we can do these in groups of roots.